You know that spills happen, and the best thing you can do is clean them up safely, quickly, and efficiently. AIRE Environmental Spill Kits can help you do just that. They come standard with personal protective equipment and enough sorbents to get the job done. If it's wet, you can clean it up with one of our universal spill kits. If you're just cleaning up oil, use one of our oil-only spill kits to efficiently soak up the spill, not the water around it. So no matter where you work, if you have something that could spill, pick up an AIRE Environmental Spill Kit.